Oh man, y'all, I'm like those people in the videos where they're like like excessively clearing their throats. That's terrible. Now I'm one of them because of this flu I caught when I was on vacation. Ugh, terrible. Caught it from my ex. Taking care of her, you know how it goes. Taking care of her. She got better by making me sick. So now I still have this little cough. Ugh, I hate it. Doesn't hurt that much, at least. I got all the inflammation out, so it's not as wet as it used to be. That wetness, I don't know what that wetness is about it. Moist. But that really hurts. It causes a lot of pain. I don't know why. Yeah, when your throat is really inflamed. But yeah, so we're out here another day. Had a great day yesterday. Oh my God, worked so hard, made so much money. And out here doing the same thing. So this is the countdown. Monday I go on vacation, so I don't leave out until 8:25 at night, and I'll get there to my final destination at 1:15ish. Yeah, 1:15ish. 1:15, 1:30. En la madrugada, at night. So yeah, I can't wait.